What's the toad? I pulled my vagina. Hold on, I gotta do the other one now to even it out. It's like a race car. Oh, I still pulled the same side. Well, I can't go that way.
So you keep doing it.
I don't get it. It still hurts. I can't go this way. Whatever.
Try it again. Just kick your other
It keeps hurting my left side.
kick your other leg out or something.
But it's because when I put all the pressure and like rip it open over here on that side, it hurts. Oh, I can do 2 in a row.
Oh Lord.
Oh my god! This isn't funny anymore. I thought I was gonna fall in the pool. Oh. Okay.